To raster anything, meaning scoring it kind of as like a solid mass, you want to put anything that you want to raster on the long wall, the magenta layer, as you can see here. Then when you go to print, it's almost the same thing, you just have to add in that pink color. So you select the one without the underscore, go to Properties, Custom Properties, you're going to change it to 2412, select Raster, then you're going to go to Color Mapping, select the red, and then start editing the red by doing 255, and that's the magenta color. And then these settings, I always just have to look just to double check, and they need to be 100, 25, and 2500. So I'll go back, it needs to be 100, 25, and then 2500, as close as you can get to it. And then select raster, and then hit the plus button to add it, and then you will go up, 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 and just like that, make sure magenta's all the way at the top. And then hit OK, 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 set up your window, scale, make sure you have 3006 laser settings, and hit preview. Then you will hit escape to exit out and hit OK. What's really important is when you raster, you have to pay attention to laser, because as soon as it's done, what it does at the end, the laser like goes crazy back and forth at the top, and you have to stop the actual laser from continuing to run.